previous episode, we mentioned something about Korlai Fort. In this episode, we'll see how to reach here, distance from Alibag, total time to visit, best time to visit, and the difficulty level. Korlai Fort is located in Korlai village in Murud Taluka. The fort and the village is visible from Revdanda. Korlai is built on an island, and the island holds vast variety of communities from Hindu, Muslim, Christian and Portuguese. The main occupation is fishery, and a lot of travelers are attracted to see the tower, the fort and the long drying bed beside the sea. To reach Korlai Fort from Alibag, you can easily travel via Revdanda, and from Revdanda it's very easy to locate Korlai Fort. I have mentioned route in the description. From Alibag, the distance is just 20 kilometers. Once you reach to the village and the base of the fort, make sure to park your bike before the cement road, because the cement road is only a single lane and only one vehicle can pass. One four-wheeler can pass, and it's very risky. So I would suggest not to take your car at the end of the cement road. Right at the beginning, you can park there. The walk from the parking to the fort is very scenic. On the left side you get to see the entire sea, and to the right you can see the fort. The climb is very steep at the beginning, but it is one of the most easiest fort to climb, so no need to worry about that. Once you enter the fort, to the left is Horizon Point and to the right is the rest of the entire fort. From the Horizon Point, you can see a 180-degree view of the fort and its surrounding. The fort is very well preserved. Not one of the best conditions, but you can see the reconstructions and you can observe the architecture from different time and different ages. There is also fresh water available to drink. So watching the sea from height was a new experience for me. We spent a lot of time here watching the boats pass by, watching the birds fly, enjoying the breeze, feeling the wind, the warmth of the air. Make sure to carry a cap, sunglasses and a bottle of water. We went in March, so it wasn't that hot, but if you are going in any other season except monsoon, because monsoon might not be the best time to visit, but if you are going in summer or before summer, it might be pretty hot. This year it wasn't that much. After reaching to the end, we took some pictures, took some videos, sat there, watched the sea and the boats pass by. An hour and a half is enough to visit the entire fort, including the climb and descent. After reaching to the parking, I was very careful to drive the car at the edge. You have to be very cautious because only one car can drive at a time on that lane. Obviously, I have muted my parents' commentary to avoid to save myself from the embarrassment. This was our last spot during the Konkan Alibag trip. Make sure to watch the other forts and beach videos. I'll try to make a playlist so it's easy to access. And if I visit some more spots, I'll add to this playlist. That's it for today. See you in the next episode of Kalavanti Fort. Thank you for watching and travel safe.